So I just got a freezer which is not working. They said it doesn't get cold. So I opened the back cover. So the pipe is supposed to be icy cold. Luckily the compressor is still fine. And this should be hot, but it's not. I'm trying to cut the tip off so I can install the charging valve. And then right next to it you see the filter. You might want to replace it too. This is the charging valve. Since it has the same size of the other one, so I'm about to make the hole bigger so it can fit right in. After finishing this process, you might want to clean the inside the pipe. You don't want the all small little debris inside going around in the entire pipe system. So fit in, make sure it doesn't fall off. I use my oxygen torch. When the copper welding stick just kicks in, the flame will turn green. It's done. A few minutes later, it's time to vacuum the system. I normally use the red hose, but it's okay. You can use the blue hose, which is for charging only. And the yellow hose goes to the vacuumer. And open the valve and turn it on. It starts move. The ideal time for vacuuming is normally 30 minutes, but if you don't have a time, 5 minutes is enough. Meanwhile, I'm gonna change it to a blue hose so I can get a clear view of the gauge. So 5 minutes later, it's time for charging the refrigerant. It's, it's called R134A. They use for small house unit. In this process, you don't want to charge it too fast. It might cause some clog in the pipe. So the gauge shows is vacuumed, and slightly open the main valve and open the other valve, and the refrigerant gas goes in the system. When it goes in, you might want to run the compressors on. So I already left the refrigerant on. For charging exact amount of the refrigerant, you can use the scale. In this case, I didn't use it. So pipes get icy cold now. Hopefully it's working now. And this might be hot. I don't want to touch it. It's done now. The gauge shows 10, I don't know, it's 10 pounds or kilogram, but that's enough.